Hi, I'm Nathan Goldberg. I'm the president of Specialized. We're a print, promo, apparel, warehousing, and fulfillment company based in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm also chairman of the PERF Foundation that provides education, print and decoration related education to distributors. Here are the top 5 reasons to invest in Print Basics for you and your team, in no particular order. The first reason is education. Investing in your team's education not only creates loyalty and affinity for your company, but it also provides your employees an opportunity to provide more value to you and your customers. Previously, I had thought, what if I spent all this money to invest in education for my team and they leave? And somebody mentioned, well, what if you don't invest in their education and they stay? And that was my aha moment where it's like, you know what? I need to make sure that I educate my team as best as I can. The second reason to invest in Print Basics is to help your team build a network. That network comes in incredibly handy for your employees when they have a question, when they need a source, or when they just want to run things by another member of the industry. It's great to have other people within your organization who has a network built, who can work independently to provide options and opportunities. The third reason is the print market is rated at $489 billion in 2022, and it's growing at 2.8% through 2030 is projected. Branded merch is only $283 billion. So that means that the print market is currently 1.7 times the branded merch market. So if you're doing $5 million in promo, if you just add print at to your existing customers based on your current penetration, you could be doing $8.6 million in print without getting a new customer. So that would take your business from $5 million to almost 14 million. So it's a no-brainer in my mind. The fourth reason you should invest in Print Basics is it creates an opportunity for you to deliver another value-added solution to your existing customers. Besides the revenue, being a one source or first call for your customers is incredibly valuable to your customer, and it's going to create some additional opportunities for you to make money. And the last reason is it's just another way into new customers. There have been many times where I've gone into a customer and wanted to talk about promo and apparel, and their brother-in-law is in the business. So I have to pivot and talk about print, which their brother-in-law doesn't do because they haven't been through the Print Basics class yet. So those are the 5 reasons, the top 5 reasons I think you should invest in Brand Chain's Print Basic program. It's a wonderful program, and it's going to create multiple opportunities for your team and for you.